Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys just to showcase to you what happens when your Beats stop working and you send it off for repairs. So I have the Beats Studio 3 Wireless Decade Edition, or Defiant Edition they're calling it now. So let's open this. So I've just got this box. All I did was remove the seal. Okay, so I don't know what you get inside. Maybe a new headphones, which I doubt. Apple never upgrades you for free. All right, now that's basically the box that you get inside. Let's check out the insides of that box. So nothing else. So what happened was with these Beats I had a bit of crackling noise in one of the earpieces, on the left one to be particular, and I sent it off, so they were like, we're replacing it. So for some reason it's got plastic, and it's nice soft plastic, not as soft as the one you get with AirPods Max, but they're quite soft. You can put them back on as well. All right, let's slide it out. All right, sliding it out. So that's basically it. That's the cardboard, and the cardboard is quite smooth as well, if you guys can sense that, how smooth it is to touch. I'm guessing that's the Beats. I got my Beats back, okay, in a velvety cloth, very soft, maybe suede, very soft cloth. What else do you get inside? You get some paperwork, which I already have from my original. So I guess just to how to set it up, things like that. Hi, you've got Beats, great. And that's basically it, just a bit of a cardboard to hold it in place. Okay, let's get all of that out of the way. All right, so that's the Beats. Let's open this little case thing up. All right, so fairly perfect condition. Few bit dusty, that's about it. It's brand new. So that's what you get. You get the Defiant Edition back, but a brand new one, if they deem it faulty, obviously. So mine was faulty, they've replaced it, so that's what I've got. All right, guys, hopefully you liked that video. Just a bit of information for you what to expect back from Apple. I really like the fact that not only do you get a really nice cloth carrying case, I've got the case as well, which is here. So that's the actual case that you get with the Decade Edition, 10 years written on it, and 08 it was established. It's got a bit of a bigger zip than the normal one, Beats logo, and that's how it is inside. Very soft as well. So that cloth that you get is kind of the same texture as the inside of this case. So anyways, so you get that, and you also get a box as well if you've lost your box for some reason. And that's basically it. Hopefully you haven't lost the remote thing that you get with it and the charger. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Would you like to see videos like this more? And drop me a like if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.